Welcome to SwarupkiRasoi. Today I am going to make some scrambled eggs in a different way than we usually do. You're all very familiar with scrambled eggs, and it's our go-to recipe whenever we are hungry and we do not have the time or the energy to make anything more elaborate. However, having scrambled eggs all the time can make it boring. I'm going to show a different way in which we can add some fiber and some taste into the recipe to make it more interesting. The scrambled egg that I'm going to prepare looks so healthy and appetizing. To prepare it, first finely chop or grate ginger, chop the onions, spring onions, tomatoes, coriander and green chilies. You can skip green chilies if you wish. Break 2 eggs in a bowl and add the vegetable mixture to it. Beat it nicely till nice and frothy. Heat a pan and add half a teaspoon of sunflower oil to it. Pour the batter in the pan and allow it to cook on slow flame till the edges get set. Then bring it together and stir just the way you would any other scrambled egg. Once done, serve it on a plate and enjoy the dish. Hello, having watched my recipe, hope you have enjoyed it. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of how I could improve my videos, please do not hesitate to put that in the comments box. If you want me to bring you any specific recipes, do not hesitate to again put that in the comments and I will try my best to honor your request.